Hey, what's up YouTube? I thought I'd do a video for you all this morning on how I cured my eczema with a natural home remedy. Something I've read about online and from my doctor's advice also. For those of you who are unaware of what eczema is, it's a skin condition where your skin becomes really dry, irritated, develops like a rash, almost kind of like hives. Sometimes blisters, almost like little blisters, or like with pus, or like a bulge in them. She's always, always red and irritated and itchy. You can develop it, throughout your whole body, basically. Some people only get in certain areas or certain patches. Me personally, I only get it on my index fingers, and then also on my forearms and my calves. But one of the remedies that my doctor was telling me about, and I did more research online for a natural home remedy versus using like steroid creams and things like that prescribed by your doctor, is juicing. With using a juicer and making home juice, not the stuff you buy at the store in the Walmart aisle, like grapefruit juice and apple juice, but carrot juice, celery juice, cucumber juice, and also plum juice. All four of those are very high in nutrients and vitamins, and they're extremely good for you. But consuming them through liquid form, your body processes it within a matter of minutes, and it goes straight into your bloodstream. And the nutrients in it that way is really good on your skin and can help not cure but treat and make manageable skin conditions and other rashes and whatnot that you might have with skin irritation or skin problems with your body, whether it be cold sores, acne, scrapes, cuts, bruises, things like that. I just want to do this little quick video tutorial on how I cured my eczema, or make it completely manageable to where I have no skin irritation or redness or swelling or blisters or bumps or pussiness from the blisters or bumps, because I don't have those issues because I do daily juicing. Some type of juice, like I said, I either do a carrot juice or celery juice or cucumber juice, and sometimes I'll throw some other things in the juice, and I usually do 1 cup a day of like I said, a different type, whether it's carrot juice, celery juice, cucumber juice, plum juice. Sometimes I'll add a couple other things in the juice to give them different flavors. But I'll do another video on juicing and show you all my juice recipes that I personally do with my juicer, and that'll be quite a long video, but hopefully you all look forward to it, and you can get some good recipes if you're someone who likes juicing, or someone who's never tried it before and you personally don't like the taste of carrot juice or celery juice or cucumber juice or plum juice. I have some very good recipes that I'll do a video on and share with you all. And hopefully, like I said, if those of you who might have eczema out there and wasn't aware of this natural treatment option versus going to the doctor all the time for getting refills on steroid creams and things like that, hopefully this helps you all. Let me know in the comments what you think. As always, like, share, subscribe, and here soon I'll do another video. Thanks, y'all. Have a great day.